We're here to simplify your transition to low-carbon, energy-efficient home heating and hot water. Our comprehensive heat pump package covers survey, installation, government grant processing, and ongoing support, with costs spread across affordable monthly finance repayments. Firstly, use our free online heat pump calculator to get a guide price. You can book an appointment with one of our surveyors. We charge a small fee for this service, but will reimburse you if you decide to buy from us. Our surveyor will come to your home to complete a full survey, which includes an energy performance certificate. Within a few working days, we'll send you a detailed quotation and monthly finance options. If you decide to go ahead, we'll arrange any finance with our finance partner and get your installation date booked in. Then, our experienced engineers will install your heat pump. It takes 2 days to fit a system in most properties. Once you've approved the installation, your warranty cover starts immediately. Your system will be monitored remotely 24/7, allowing us to perform regular checks to keep performance fully optimized. Plus, you'll have an app to view the status of your heating and adjust your system remotely. Heat pumps are extremely efficient at extracting renewable heat from the air and can help address rising energy bills and also reduce carbon emissions. Visit our website today. We're here to help. Start your transition to low-carbon, energy-efficient home heating and hot water.